Okay, so we are live, we are good to go. Alright, okay, hi, hello, namaste to all of you, to each one of you. How is the lockdown really treating you? Are you all feeling really bored and wanting to get back to your normal routine? I'm sure we all are really longing to do that. But I think it's just another 15-20 days more extended till until the 3rd of May now. And soon we all will be getting back to our lives. But what this lockdown has really taught us during this phase is how insignificant we as a human race are on this planet. You know, she will always find a way. Always has. She's lived with the dinosaurs. She's living without the dinosaurs. So it really doesn't matter to her. She will always find a way. It is we humans. It is our human race who is really so insignificant. And if we really need to find our way out of this entire chaos, the entire catastrophe that has been created on planet Earth, I think we all need to be a little more sensitive towards how we really live with her. Alright? Too much of dhyan, I know. I'm just going to straight away jump onto the topic for today. That I am coming live on FBs also because ये पूरे लॉकडाउन के समय में I had a lot of people who gave me calls and who kept text messaging me, WhatsApp, different modes of communication. The only thing that I'm really happy about is none of these people really bothered to ask me कि मैं मेरा वजन कम कैसे करूँ. So weight loss was never ever on their brain. So they came up with very different kind of questions. Questions like how is my immunity really going to improve during this period? Now that I am actually a meat eater and I'm not getting access to the meat, probably because just out of fear that I don't want to eat meat or stores ही बंद है तो chicken नहीं मिल रहा है, अंडा नहीं मिल रहा है, fish नहीं मिल रहा है, all of these products, I have turned vegetarian. तो मेरे प्रोटीन इनटेक का क्या होगा, मैं मेरा प्रोटीन इनटेक किस तरीके से ऑप्टिमाइज करूँ. So these were the kind of questions that actually came to me, and I thought going FB live or probably Insta live is the best way to address all of these concerns. So to cut the long story short, what I'm going to do is I'm going to speak a little bit about the foods that will be boosting your immunity during this entire lockdown period, and also of course post the lockdown, and the foods that you need to have especially during the lockdown, especially probably for the meat eaters who have compulsorily या फिर without choice turned into vegetarian now. So first things first, what I'm going to address is the protein intake that you need to have in your diet. If you're a meat eater or if you're a non-meat eater, it really does not matter. If you have these 4 things in your home, stocked up in your home right now during the lockdown, you really don't need to bother, worry, take tension, take stress over the protein intake that is going to come into your body. So the first thing that you need to have in your house is rice. Yeah, rice is nice. It's really nice. I really like my rice. The reason why I like rice is because this rice has got a very important amino acid which is called as L-lysine. You need to excuse me for my bad handwriting, is because we've just stopped using our pens and pencils since the time we are constantly on our computers or laptops. Yeah, so it's got a very essential amino acid profile which is called as L-lysine. Now this L-lysine amino acid is not found in any other grain or cereal but found in rice, and it is really important for your body because your body cannot really make this amino acid. It has to get it from the food that you eat, and it essentially comes from rice. So if you have rice, आप rice के साथ क्या क्या कर सकते हो? दाल rice खा सकते हो. You can turn rice into a pulao. You can turn rice into a biryani. You can turn rice into simple curd rice for dinner. We Maharashtrians have got a very special cuisine which is called as ghavan. Now this ghavan is essentially made out of the rice flour. उस rice के आटे को लेके ये ghavan बनता है. You can make idli and dosa out of rice. You can turn rice into a dessert and make kheer out of it. So rice essentially is the versatile food that you can consume. I think ये इतना देने के बाद आपके 7 दिन का डिनर या लंच का तो मैंने सवाल निकाल दिया है पूरी तरह से. Now actually solved your problem of either the lunch or the rice option for at least 6 or 7 days during this lockdown. From this rice also you get poha. So now poha you can have the typical Maharashtrian variety of kanda poha, or you can have poha with milk poha, or you can have the dahi poha. Alright. From rice we also get something called as kurmura or the mamra that you say. Right? Now this kurmura or mamra can just be turned into an evening snack. भेल बन सकती है उससे. You can have the suka bhel variety, or you can have the leela bhel variety or something like that. So your rice solves the problem of a mid-meal or a snack. It solves your problem of a breakfast. It solves the problem of your lunch or the dinner, and also solves the problem of your dessert. Yeah. So this is just a very very rough guideline कि rice हो तो तुम क्या क्या कर सकते हो और आपका protein का profile किस तरीके से complete हो सकता है. Your local and your traditional diet will definitely be having much more varieties of foods and delicacies and cuisines revolving rice. So please stick to it and please start having it. So that is about rice. The second thing, if you have at home, stocked up at home, which is going to give you your protein in your diet is wheat, गेहूं. तो गेहूं का आटा तो मेरे ख्याल से हर किसी के पास होता है. तो इस गेहूं से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? यस, चपाती बना सकते हैं. 1 पराठा बना सकते हैं. So while you are at parathas, we can make.
We have a question.
No, we can take the questions later on. Yeah, I'll come to the questions part, definitely yes. But we'll just be taking questions post the entire video gets completed. Yeah. So I'll come to the question part later on. All right. Coming back to what you can do with wheat. What you can do with wheat is we can make parathas. Now with parathas you can make endless kinds of parathas. You can make the ajwain ka paratha, you can make the paneer ka paratha, you can make gobi paratha, flour paratha, aloo paratha, methi ke theple, palak ka paratha, and a whole lot variety of parathas. Yeah, so that you can have with wheat. You can make puris. You can have puri bhaji again. Essentially, not just the normal puri. You can have aloo ka puri. You can have palak ka puri. You can mix just the spices in the puris and have the tikha meetha puri types, and you can have it with any of the vegetables. Or you can also go in for the kind of puris, which will last you longer for 4 or 5 days. That is, those chapta wala matri type ka puris. From wheat you can make halwa. अपना जो अमृतसर में famous अपना गुरुद्वारा है, they serve you the best variety of halwa which is made with adding loads of ghee and the same wheat flour. Yeah. So again, wheat serves your lunch, dinner options and also gives you your dessert options. So rice हो गया, wheat हो गया. Third thing, if you have at home, is the different in the variety of dals that we have. We have the tuar ka dal, we have the chana dal, we have the moong ka dal, right? We have masoor ka dal. Feel free to add all the different kinds of dals that we have. Now these in combination with either rice or in combination with wheat will give you all the required amount of protein that you ever wanted to have in your diets, right? So rice, wheat, dal, and the fourth and the most important thing, if you have in your house right now, I think I have to rub something. I think you have to also excuse me for the whiteboard. I think it's my 3-year-old daughter who's using it the most these days. So wheat ho gaya, rice ho gaya, just put up dal somewhere here. And if you have pulses, कितने pulses खाते हैं हम आजकल? So let's just quickly list those pulses down. मटकी, मूंग, और क्या खाता है? छोले, और राजमा, और चवली, और मसूर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kurit. Wonderful. I was going to come to this because this is something that is really important for me. But anyways, that just putting up at least 8 or 9 or 10 varieties of pulses. If you're living in India, let me tell you, we have got more than 6 60,000 varieties of pulses alone. Yes, you heard me right. We have got more than 60,000 varieties of pulses. And how much are you really landing up eating or even knowing the names of these pulses are probably just the 10 and the 12 and the 15. So please make it a point to see to it that you research. वैसे हम गूगल में बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में रिसर्च करते हैं ना, तो इसके बारे में रिसर्च कीजिए कि और कौन कौन से पल्सेस है. By the way, चौली में रेड होता है और रेड कलर का चौली होता है, तो you got some variety there. So what are the different kinds of pulses as well, and come up at least to a good number of 15 to 20 out of the 60,000 that we have. All right. So rice, wheat, दाल एंड पल्सेस, अगर ये चार चीजें आपके घर में इस वक्त आपने स्टोर करके रखी है, स्टॉक करके रखी है बिकॉज ऑफ द एंटायर लॉकडाउन and even post lockdown, I'm sure all of these 4 varieties will definitely be having at your home. This is all that you can do to get all the amount of protein that your body really requires. All right. This does not mean that I'm asking the meat eaters to become non-meat eaters. They can still go back to having their eggs and the chicken and the mutton and the fish and all of those varieties. But right now, for the ones who really are paranoid by their protein intake, नहीं हो रहा, this is an option. ये चार तो बहुत important है. अगर आपके घर पे रागी है, Ragi is nachni, by the way. Nachni. Yeah, so it is nachni, by the way. And if you have jowar at home right now, these are basically called as millets, by the way. Yeah, so these are millets. So if you have these two, you can turn these two also into a bhakri. Yeah, I forgot. Rice. Sorry. इसकी भाकरी भी बनती है. Yeah, same goes with ragi and same goes with jowar as well. So if you have all of these things at home stocked up, you really don't need to worry about your protein profile किस तरीके से complete होगा. So these are the foods that you need to have or you can have and you must have for your protein intake. By the way, ये सारी चीजें तो ठीक है, खाना वाना सब खाना है, this is okay. But let me just break the news for you guys. आप चाहे कितना भी इसमें से कुछ खाओ या कुछ और खाओ या वो चिकन खाओ, अंडा खाओ, eat whatever you want to complete the protein profile in your so-called bodies, but वो protein जो है ना वो assimilate होना पड़ता है तुम्हारे body में. Your body should be able to learn to teach your bodies to assimilate the protein from all of these foods that you have probably eaten. तो वो जो बॉडी को आपको सिखाना पड़ेगा कि इस खाने में से प्रोटीन उठाओ, उस खाने में से कैल्शियम उठाओ, उस खाने में से प्रॉब्ली कार्ब्स उठाओ या फैट्स उठाओ, तो उन सारी चीजों के लिए ना देयर आर 2 प्रीकर्सर्स टू दैट. 2 चीजें बहुत जरूरी है और वो 2 बहुत जरूरी चीजें हैं. Short of place. All right. Activity या exercise. So you have to stay active throughout the day. You cannot be lazily sleeping on the couch. दरवाजे का बेल बजता है, then you are like waiting, कोई तो आएगा, दरवाजे का बेल दरवाजा खुलेगा, तो बाहर का आदमी बेल बजा के परेशान हो जाता है. That is not how you should be. You should constantly be finding ways to stay active. The only person who's got the privilege of not staying active is a dead person. तो मरा हुआ इंसान ऐसे ही पड़ा रहेगा, कोई उठा के लेके जाएंगे. तो he or she is the only person who has the privilege of not being active. But if you are a human being and if you are very much alive, you will have to be constantly active for this entire protein thing to work in your body. Along with activity, you will also have to resort to some kind of exercise. Now, as far as exercise goes, it has to be 7 days per month. 7 days per month. यानी कि पूरे 30 या 31 दिन में से 7 दिन तो एटलीस्ट आपको एक्सरसाइज करना ही पड़ेगा, तब जाके ये सारी चीजें आपके बॉडी में एसिमुलेट होने लगेंगी. सेकेंड थिंग, nobody likes sleep, right? But the only problem with sleep is nobody likes to go to sleep on time. हाँ, तो ये जो है ना, दिस इज द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ गुड न्यूट्रिशन, स्लीप. सोना पड़ेगा, टाइम पे सोना पड़ेगा. लेटेस्ट मैक्स टू मैक्स by 11 o'clock you will have to go to sleep, because this entire protein assimilation is happening in your body only post you have completely gone to sleep and are in a restorative stage of sleep. तो आपको sleep, आपको सोना पड़ेगा, टाइम पे सोना पड़ेगा. If these two things are not being done, you can land up eating whatever you want. You can land up eating the chicken, the mutton, the fish, and the rice and the meat and all of these things. But yeah, that's my little daughter. I know. Yeah, we'll have to go out. All right. So you can land up eating whatever you want out of all of these things. But if you're not going to do these two things, आपके body में protein assimilation नहीं होगा. All right. So much so for the protein assimilation. I'm just going to move a little quicker. I think we have got questions also coming up on the screen. So the next about the foods that are going to increase your immunity. तो immunity बढ़ाने के लिए क्या क्या खाना पड़ेगा या क्या खा सकते हैं. वैसे whatever you eat, if it is going to be your घर का खाना. By the way, I'm really very happy. The only thing probably that this lockdown has really made me happy about is each one of us is each one of us is actually eating homemade food. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट से लेके, सुबह के नाश्ते से लेके रात के डिनर तक सब कुछ फ्रेश घर पे बनाया हुआ होता है. So if you're planning to increase on your immunity, anything that is going to be homemade and fresh will definitely increase your immunity. But just to give you a few foods that will boost up your immunity is sabja or tulsi seeds. So you can soak these get very easily soaked. उन्हें 1-2 घंटा पानी में soak करके रखोगे तो they actually pop up double their size. These are these tiny black seeds that you get anywhere available at the grocery market, grocery stores. So just soak them in water for a couple of hours and they turn out to be really soft and smushy types. You can mix it with milk or just the water and just have it. So this is something that will give you a good immunity. Amla. Yeah, so we all know आमले में बहुत सारा vitamin C होता है. I think amla has got 5 times more vitamin C than the oranges that you eat. Yeah, but unfortunately, this fact has never made it to the textbooks. Yeah, so we are still stuck up with eating oranges for vitamin C and we don't land up eating the amla. आमले का पिकल बन सकता है. आमले को ऐसे ही काटो, उसके ऊपर नमक डालो, थोड़ा सा कुछ स्पाइस अच्छा लगता है तो वो स्पाइस डालो and you can eat it. So that's amla. By the way, I've also started a series on Facebook, where I'm actually posting a few summer kind of drinks, which are really cool to drink, and they are all immunity boosting drinks. I think by now I've posted 4 drinks both on Facebook and Insta, and I'll keep posting a few more as well. So post the video, you can just have a look at all of those 4 drinks. So pudina is one of them. चटनी बना सकते हो, पुदीना का कोई जूस बन सकता है, जल जीरा का जूस बन सकता है पुदीना डाल के. पुदीने की चटनी अच्छी लगती है. You can make पुदीना का पराठा as well. That's about पुदीना. This is something which is so important. Coke up. The fact that जिस तरीके से हमारा फिलहाल चल रहा है ना अपने मदर अर्थ के साथ रिलेशन, by 2030 और 2040 मैक्स 2040 तक हमारे यहाँ पे ये कोकम का झाड़ हम उगा ही नहीं पाएंगे. We will not be able to grow the कोकम tree any longer. So हम जो बड़े हुए हैं ये कोकम का शरबत वगैरह सब पी के, be very assured कि your future generations will not get that drink. So we have been so selfish in the way we are behaving with our mother earth कि ये जो है ये इसके आगे वाले हमारे जो जनरेशन है ना उनको नेचुरली नहीं मिलेगा. तो बाहर से कुछ ना कुछ तो इसके लिए सब्स्टिट्यूट लाना पड़ेगा. तो बाय द वे इसमें ना एक बहुत एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट होता है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज गार्सिनॉल. नाउ दिस गार्सिनॉल इज एसेंशियली antiviral, antibacterial, antidepressant, and everything is basically got all the properties that it has to have to be a great immunity booster. Now, the next that we can have is, as an immunity booster, is olive. I don't know how many of you really know. I think most of the Maharashtrians will know olive. Olive is a superfood. It has got wonderful content of vitamin B12. Again, these are these small red seeds. I think in English it's called as watercress. I think we just need to find out what it is really all about. तो olive को पानी में soak करके रखो. Again it pops out double its size, and then you mix it with coconut and ghee and make wonderful laddus. Alright, or you just mix it with milk, or you just mix it with plain water and you can have it. So again, multiple uses of the very same olive, and it will be loaded with all the nutrients, all the phytonutrients that your body would need to boost the immunity. और हो सकता है is काजू. Kaju is the real antidepressant, huh? Yes. So that's Kaju antidepressant. Okay. I'm sorry for my spelling. Whatever the spelling is. Okay, it's basically an antidepressant. It has got vitamin B6 in sufficient quantities. Back to olives. I'm very sorry. Coming back to olives, it will give you omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 once you combine it with the coconut ghee combination. It will give you a perfect blend of the omega-3, omega-6 and the omega-9 varieties. Kaju is an antidepressant. It has got it has got enough levels of vitamin B6 for your body. For all those who are worried कि काजू खा के कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ता है, तो let me tell you, काजू खा के कोलेस्ट्रॉल नहीं बढ़ता है, because कोलेस्ट्रॉल बनाने के लिए लिवर की जरूरत होती है, and काजू comes from a plant, so basically plant के पास liver होता नहीं है, तो वो automatically कोलेस्ट्रॉल उस काजू के अंदर नहीं जाता. So same goes with groundnuts, singdana, and the same goes with coconut as well. Yeah, so kaju, groundnuts and coconuts, they are all cholesterol free. Please make sure that you have these 3 food items if you are having high levels of the bad cholesterol in your body. Alright. So sabja, amla, pudina, kokum, olive, kaju. So these are all, there are a lot many immunity booster foods, but the top 6 are these here. So I think so much so for the presentation today, or so much so for the video today on protein intake and your immunity boosting foods. So if you have any questions, I think we can take the questions right now. For the ones who, before I even end this video, stay safe, stay at home. If there is really the requirement to go out, please go out, but please wear your mask and take very, very good care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay healthy. You can post your comments, post the video. If you have comments and questions right now, please feel free to ask them. Yeah, please.
So we have a question.
Yeah.
Can we give rice to diabetic person in this lockdown due to no physical activity?
Yes, the rice is nice again. Diabetic people are free to have rice. There is absolutely no problem. But again, there is just the problem of कौन से type का rice खाते हो और कितने बजे वो rice खाते हो. So typically, if you want to have the rice, you need to have the single polished rice, which just has those strands of little red or brown, but they are not the brown rice or the red rice ka variety. So it has to be hand pounded rice. If you are not getting the hand pounded rice, you can just go with the plain normal white rice. See to it that you are having this rice maximum by 7:30, 8 p.m. if at all you are going to have it as a dinner option. Nothing later than this. It has to be white rice. It has to be the hand pounded rice. No brown rice, no red rice, and no black rice. So diabetes, you're free. Feel free to have your rice. Rice से डरना नहीं. Rice is not only about carbohydrates or fats or anything. And if you're lacking on the physical activity due to the lockdown, I think घर पे भी exercise हो सकते हैं. If you guys are really interested, please put it up in the comments. The next video I might take on the exercise that you can really do at home. What else? Do we have any other questions? Okay, so if you do not have any questions right now, let us just end this video here. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for staying in tune with me all through this video. Thank you for patiently bearing with me. What is it? Nothing? Alright. So thank you for patiently bearing with me. You can please feel free to put your comments and feel free to post your questions, even post the video. I'll be more than glad to help you out on this. All right. Thank you so much and have a very, very nice evening. Bye bye.